Hello students, welcome back to the second video today with Mr. Bui. In this video, we are going to use all our background knowledge and all what we learned from the previous video to do our math problems, especially your worksheet today, right here, that Mr. Bui has right here, okay? So, we said that this small square we call it a 1, right? And the long triangle here is a 10. All right, so if I have a math problem here, let's say 72 plus 26, okay, equal question mark. Okay, we have to solve this. So Mr. Wu told you last time that we always put it in vertical way. So 72 plus 26. Okay. So Mr. Wu will draw the T. Draw the T. Okay. And label ones and 10. 1 and 10s. Right. So now Mr. Wu will use the drawing to represent the numbers. Okay. First, we're gonna do the first row. On the first row, how many ones do we have? We have 2 ones. So we will draw 1, 2 ones. How many tens do we have on the first row? 7 tens. All right, that's a lot of 10. Let's draw 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10, 6 tens, and 7 tens. Good. All right. On the second row, how many ones do we have? 6 ones. Let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. How many tens do we have on the second row? 2 tens. So we will draw 2 tens. 1 10, 2 tens. What does it mean, friends? It means add. Add means we put all together. So just do the same. We're gonna group the ones together and 10 together right here. So now I'm gonna count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Mr. Wu has 8 ones. So I put my answer right here. Okay, so I have 8 ones. How many tens do we have? Let's count. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens. All right. So now I know. Okay, I'm going to erase the red question mark. We have no 72 plus 26 equal 98. Isn't that amazing that we use our drawings to represent the base 10 blocks to solve our problems? All right. If you need to watch it again, pause and then go back and watch it. Okay, I'm gonna do another problem now. All right, I'm gonna erase it. Everything. Let's do another difficult one. Okay, if I have let's use different color. Green is easier. We have 42 plus 39 equal question mark. So how to solve this equation? First thing first, we put them vertically. So 42 plus 39. Okay, I'm gonna draw the T. I'm gonna label ones and 10. 1 and 10s. Okay, I start on the first row. How many ones do we have here? We have 2 ones. I'm going to draw 1, 2 ones. How many 10s do we have on the first row? 4, right? So 4 10. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10s, 4 10s. All right. That we're done with the first row. Move to the second row. How many ones do we have? Always start with ones. 9 ones. That's a lot. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. How many 10s do we have on the second row? 3 10s. Let's do 1, 2, 3 10s. All right. What does it mean? It's been add. So Mr. Blue will put them all together. So I'm going to group them like this. Group them like this. And I am going to count the one. Let's count the one with Mr. Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, so I have 11. Alright, do you think I can put 11 on the ones columns? No, I can't, because we cannot put two numbers in one place. Alright, so last time we learned using the blocks that when we have 10 ones, we exchange with a strip or a 10. We're gonna do the same here. Okay, Mr. will use this color. Okay, so I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 right here. Okay, this will make a 10s because 10 ones make a 10. All right, so can I leave the 10 on the ones place? No, I can't. I have to move the 10 to the 10 place over here. Okay, so I'm gonna move it here. I'm gonna move it up here too. Okay, so this 10 is canceled because we already moved here. Okay, this one is canceled too because we already exchanged. So how many ones do we have left? We have one left. All right, so we have one left. How many 10s do we have? Let's count. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, and 8 10s. All right. So now we know that 42 plus 39 equal 81. Okay. If you are still confused, pause and go back and watch it again and do it yourself. You will understand for sure. Okay? Alright students, we have another math problems. For example, 66 plus 32. Okay? Equal question mark. Okay? We're gonna do the same. We put vertically. Okay, we're gonna draw the T. Okay, we label ones and 10. Okay, 1 and T for 10s. Okay, once you do it fluently, here what you're gonna do, you start on the ones place. You're gonna add the ones together. So you put 6 in your head and you count on for 2. So 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 ones. Okay. Let's move to the 10 place. Okay. 6 tens plus 3 tens equal 9 tens. So we know that 66 plus 32 equal 98. Okay, isn't this easy? Yes, for some students, but if you want to get to this level, you have to keep practicing using the strategies that Mr. will show you, using the Darwin's or the actual blocks first, then move to this one. Okay. All right, student. Now we're gonna go to our actual worksheet today. Okay. Apply all the strategies and knowledge that we learn. Okay. Number 1, so using mental math. So what is mental math? Right here. What is mental math? Mental math is the way that we solve math problems in our mind, our head. Okay. So we have 6 plus 8. Okay. So Mr. will help you only 1 or 2. 6 plus 8. So with this one, with this kind of math problems, we're gonna use the strategy called counting on to add. So in the strategies of counting on. To add. We always put the larger number in our head and count on. So 6 and 8, which one is larger? 8 is larger, so we put 8 in our head. And we're going to count on how many? How many more we're going to count on? 6. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have put 8 in our head, okay? And then we count on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we know that 6 plus 8 equal 14. Okay, you can do the same for this math problems. You put 30 in your head, you count on 8. You can also do with this problem, but this problem you have to go back to the strategies that Mr. Bui just teach you, to talk you. Okay, you're gonna do the same for this. The easy one that you can use this strategy, counting on to add. You use it. If you can, you have to use the strategies that Mr. Bui just taught you. I'm gonna pick one and show you how to do it. Okay, let's do this one right here. Let's circle it so you know which one. Okay, this one. I'm gonna show it right here. Okay, so 54 plus 18. Okay, I'm gonna erase these. Okay, we have 54 plus 18. Okay, so I am going to draw the T and label ones and tens. All right. So Mr. Butagio, first things first, on the first row, the ones, how many ones? 4 ones. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens on the first row? 5 tens. So 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 tens, and 5 tens. Okay, on the second row, how many ones do we have? 8. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many tens? Only 1 10. So 1 tens will be right here. Add, it means we put them all together. We group them in circle like this. Ones with the ones and 10 with the tens. Now we're gonna count the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 ones. And remember, when we see 10 ones, it equals 10. So Mr. B will group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these together, because I know that one will make a 10. Okay, and 10 cannot stay in one place. It needs to go to 10 place. All right, it's done because it's changed to this 10. So now how many ones do we have left? 1, 2 ones. So 2 ones. Let's see how many tens do we have. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens. So we have 7 tens. So we know 54 plus 18 equal 72. 72. Okay. Now it's your turn to solve other problems. The easy one, you use mental math, and the difficult one, use these strategies. Okay, if you are fluent, just use the fast one that Mr. will just show you. Thank you so much, students. Mr. We will see you in the next video.